plug in. Push it in. Make sure it's snapped. Same as this. That's it. Voila. This is GPS. GPS in. That's antenna. And here's another antenna for the radio. Everything plugged the same basically. I installed that already, but it just plugged right in. And the main wire, that here's a box. All of that I just plug and play. You plug it all in, plug that in. The only thing that you have to do differently is the reverse wire. You need this wire right there. It's a black wire with the yellow. It will say camera. And then there's a backup. It's a back. Hook it up to the brown. And just plug it in. Plug that in. It's just plug and play. So plug the antenna in. And the whole radio. And that's it. Oh, one more. It's the flasher right there, the little flasher. Plug on the back right here. And now I can plug it in right with this. Now try to fit it back right back in. Oh, one more thing. There's a USB. You have to plug that in too for the bottom. I ran it already. Like I said, it's plug and play. If it don't fit, it don't work. Top left. Shove the wire back right out there. A lot of wire. Reason they got so much wire because different car has a different features, even though it's the same years and make. Okay. See if there's any wires. That one go first. Once it go in, snap it in. Screw that right there. I think it's slipping loose right here for some reason. Tab it. Put the screw in here. This is a T25. bit is T25, so you put the bit right there. That's it. Let's see when it turn on. This thing stays. You don't need to put this thing on. I don't know why you need to do that. Leave it on. Turn it on. Keys on. It take a few minutes.